you have to commit to, no matter what. Okay? And love conquers all. Always remember that. You're going to go through struggles. You're going to go through temptations, all kind of stuff. But you just stand the test of time. When it gets hard, get down on your knees and pray like you never prayed before. Okay? Because marriage is a one-time thing. No divorce. Okay? And you get older and older and older, you're still going to know each other. There's a lot to learn, You'll never know Hugo. And when you're 70, 80, you're going to still be knowing Hugo. Hugo's still going to be knowing you. Just keep that love, that commitment, and keep God first, no matter what. Okay, and I wish you guys all the best, all success in life. And as my gentleman said over there, whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. Just put God first, you can do it. Because we're God's children. We're made to accomplish great things. And I love you guys. Love you, Hugo. Love you, Tisha. I'm not going to cry this time, okay? Okay, everybody just join me in wishing Melissa and Hugo all the best and all the success in life. And we commit to you our support and love for as long as you last, until death do you part, okay? To Melissa and Hugo.